couple of people who ask about how well this WEN Scrollsaw works. And I reply. On the glue, it worked just fine. Nothing great, nothing bad. Depending on what you're comparing to and what's your expectation. It's nothing great. I'm cutting pretty tight corner, as you can see. It has a light and I have a pretty thin blade. And I take it slow and it works. I have approximately almost 1 inch, a little bit less than 1 inch, because I have surface planed it because the board developed a warp. So it's probably about, I don't know, 1/8 less than an inch. So here we go. Keep in mind that this is pine and it is very soft, but it works. And not many people charge a scroll saw have, full inch thick thing. I just did this entire thing in this probably in about half an hour or so. That's pretty much it. The saw is not great by far. I have 3 bolt, one there, one here, and one here, to hold it down to my workbench so it doesn't vibrate that much. And this thing, I squared it with a digital angle finder to be perfectly right angle to the blade, so therefore the cut is perfectly straight. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully this is good for you guys.